This is a Land Rover Defender we've secured today with a Starline Immobiliser to protect the vehicle and a Scorpion Category 5 insurance approved tracking and immobiliser system. So the way that works, it's insurance approved, tracks the vehicle, and if this tag's not here, they'll know about it when the vehicle starts up, but the vehicle won't start because it has an immobiliser. If the tag's here, you just have it on your keys, start the vehicle as normal, and you're good to go. With the Starline Pro Immobiliser, if someone broke into your house, stole your bunch of keys, went to steal the vehicle, they'll start the car. When they go to drive off by putting it in gear, you're going to see it cut out and they'll be unable to drive it. As you can see, this protects you if someone obviously stole your keys. The way you disarm it is have your phone in your pocket with your Bluetooth on. This is the simplest way, you don't need to worry. Leave the vehicle, it's out of range, come back, it's in range. Start the car, we hear that double bleep, and you can drive off. The vehicle remains running. You can obviously move it. There's instances where phones go flat, so you've taken the car out for dinner, your phone's gone dead, obviously you're going to want to drive it. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to start the vehicle up, use your unique push sequence that you can set, totally up to you. So we start, fire up, put the code in, hear the disarm tone and drive off. So there's two forms of disarming this system. This also has a service mode. When you take it back to Range Rover, all you've got to do, go into the app on your phone with your Bluetooth on. You'll have a key with a green circle. This means the vehicle's protected. To put it in service mode, we'll press and hold till this green circle turns yellow. When it does, we'll let go. We get two bleeps. Now it's in service mode. So when it goes back to Range Rover, just simply hand them the keys. You don't need to let them know your push sequence. You don't need to leave your phone in the vehicle. They're going to be none the wiser there's a immobiliser, but you will need to leave this tag, obviously, as this is a separate system, which is a tracker and immobiliser. To turn the Starline back on, we're going to press and hold back in the app, turn this yellow back to green, let go, we get two bleeps. As long as this stays green, your vehicle's secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. The Starline Immobiliser gives you the push sequence and the phone pairing. If someone puts it in gear, it's going to cut out. If they grab your keys with this tag, obviously it's going to protect you against that if they break into your house. The tracking system is an S5 insurance approved tracker. You carry this Bluetooth tag. If this isn't in the vehicle, isn't in range, the vehicle's simply not going to start. When it's in range, don't need to do anything, vehicle starts up. With this tracker, you pay an annual subscription for this service, approved by insurance companies, immobilise the vehicle, tracks it. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get either of these installed on your vehicle. Thanks for watching.